Whore means prostitute?
Really?
Does it really? No. Okay, so it's our lunch break type thing. No, it's just a break for 5 minutes. And
It's only 10:55.
and we've been here since 8:40. So I'm gonna shoot myself.
Until 3.
Until 3?
Until 3.
As in PM.
Really, Erica?
Feel this.
They're cool kids. What? Feel what? Feel what?
Ooh, that's nice.
Can I write on? No. Damn, where'd it go? Didn't I write on one of these?
I did.
What?
I did.
You did?
JK208.
Guys, look at this, guys. It's so call Andrea and be like, wow, dude.
No, be like, this is so much fun. You're missing out.
I know, we're doing so much. Oh my god.
We're having so
Boatloads
much
of
fun.
crap.
I mean,
I'm like filled with
Joy. What are you doing?
I love me.
I did not write that.
Becca. Rebecca.
Don't look at my butt.
Isn't she a whore?
Did you say hoochie mama? No. What did you say? Aren't I a whore? You're the whore, okay? Okay? Look at you. Look at you. I wasn't on a street corner.
I saw you.
Well, then you were in the street corner.
Dude, I wasn't on a street corner. I was in my bed last night. By myself.
Yeah.
I was. Okay, Sassy came in once. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
What'd you do to Sassy?
No, she just comes to my room.
Okay.
What?
Probably raped your cat.
I didn't rape my cat. That's
That's why she's so
disgusting.
mean.
Sassy? I told you why she's mean. Because, okay, my sister was having like a hissy fit once, and like she, because she was in her dollhouse. What? Okay, bye.